guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Justin, and I want to introduce you to my car. This here is an E36 M3. I purchased this back in 2016. It's got about 166,000 miles. A lot of maintenance was done on this car since I purchased it. I'm talking typical BMW stuff: valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, differential swap due to diff whine, bushing replacements all around, subframe reinforcements. We're running polyurethane bushings. Suspension wise, we're running ground control coilovers. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for most of the maintenance items. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to crack open the hood so you guys can see what I'm working with. Alright guys, this is my pride and joy here. It took me a while to get this put together. I'm talking about months, guys. I dropped this back off at my mechanic shop last year back in June, I believe. And I just got it back in February. So let me show you what I'm working with. Alright guys, so this is a supercharged S50 E36 M3. It's running about 10 to 11 PSI. Typically these kits run at around 6.5 to 7. I've seen dynos on YouTube pushing these at 280, 290 at the wheel. I have yet to dyno mine. Hopefully pretty soon we're going to be throwing it on the dyno. I'm expecting this little guy to be making, I don't know, maybe 320, 330 to the wheel, hopefully. But let me know what you guys think. 10 PSI on a stock S50, 166,000 miles. Let me know what you guys think. One thing I do want to show you guys is the interior here. So I pretty much kept the front all stock. These are the Vader seats that came along with the car. I do have some aftermarket gauges here for my boost and my oil pressure. Rear seat delete, guys. I put this one together myself. You always got to have a fire extinguisher handy. You don't want your baby catching up in flames. That's pretty much it for the interior. Nice and simple. I do plan on getting door delete cards coming in the future. Not too sure if I really want to do that though. I still want to kind of have that daily driving feel, but the way I'm setting up this car is pretty much a track-inspired street build. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. I'm really happy about the way this car is turning out. This is not something that happens overnight, guys. I just want to let you guys know that. I had this car for about 5, almost 6 years. It took a lot of time, a lot of patience, and a lot of dinero to make this dream happen. It's not done yet. We still have a lot of things planned for the car. I still definitely want to get some wheels and tires. Recently I went down a canyon trip with a couple of guys that I met off of YouTube. One of them, Cameron Hill, with his Civic Type R. And it really exposed a lot of flaws in the car, primarily in the tires and the wheel setup that I have going on. Primarily it's traction issues. So if you can see right here, guys, this is just all season control contact Continentals. So these are not cutting it, guys. And very naughty of me, but these are actually the stock tires that came with the car when I first purchased it. This was back in 2016, guys. I'm really bad. But don't worry, new wheels and tires set up coming pretty soon. I actually just ordered them, so they should be coming. We'll look out for the video coming up for my wheel reveal. I do plan on eventually getting a transmission swap along with a lightweight flywheel. That should kind of help with the revs with the car, make it feel a little more fun. Other than that, cosmetic-wise, probably some paint. This is actually just a wrap, guys. It's just a wrap. I did it myself. It is not perfect by any means. You can see a couple of flaws right over here. And that's it. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I got planned for today's video. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash the like button. So hit subscribe if you want to follow my build. I got a lot of plans for this car. I also have another car reveal coming up pretty soon. It's one of my go quick cars. I'll give you a hint. It's also an inline 6. It might be JDM. Who knows? All right, guys. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.